Okay, so the cam is done. The bike's put back together. I did a quick run to make sure there's nothing weird, no leaks or anything. I just went for like a 10-minute run just to make sure the bike wasn't messed up or anything. So today's gonna be the actual test. I'll wear the helmet, we'll go for a ride. Doing that test, these pipes sounded great with the stock cam. Like they were quiet and they would kick in and they would really pop. And then those are the Mutazu's 2.0s. Those sound good at an idle, you know, cruising through the town, through the city. Those sound good. But when you get on the highway and you give her, those kind of fade out when you get on it with the stock cam. Like, I don't know, the sound gets washed out. These are quiet from when you're sitting there idling, and then when you get out on the highway and you give it, those pop. Now with the new cam, these sound really good at an idle, but when you get on it, the pop sounds almost fake. These I wrapped with header wrap. I did the aluminum, but that didn't last long, so I went to header wrap, and this works really well. I'm gonna wrap these today. We're gonna try these wrapped and see if these sound better. I'm gonna try stock, then wrapped. We're gonna go for a ride. You can hear these. I'm gonna try to take my phone, put it far enough away where you can hear this, because it washes out the phone right away. The phone can't handle how loud the bike is, and it just messes up everything. You can't tell nothing. So I put new lights on too. Let's do a cold start with these. Let's go for a ride. Put those on, go for a ride. Pull the baffles, do the tape, go for a ride. At the same time, I called Vance and Hines already, and I put a tune on the bike. So we will deal with the tune. I don't know, I think it's backfiring. It's not running right, so I gotta call them again. And I don't know if they can look at my tune, adjust it, because I really don't want to buy another tuner. So I'm hoping they can fix this. So we're gonna two things today, with two birds stoned. But you know, get it tuned right and see how those sound taped up. All right, let's do this. All right, I'm gonna try to start this. Now this is the cams that I got on right now, not the Mutazu's. I'm going to try to set the camera up every time right here. So next will be Mutazu's without the wrapping, and then we'll wrap them. All right, let's go start the bike cold. good idling. Foot on the road. We are back at the house. So the TN, CN, whatever those are, okay, those, when I got those, were super quiet. And then I put tape on them. I put the header tape. And that's why they sound the way they do. Now after I listened to my phone and looking at the video, it looked pretty good in the video and everything. That sounded pretty bad to the bone. As we all know, this video is sponsored by Mountain Dew, Energy, Strawberry Melon, Immune Support, Mental Boost. My ass. Yeah, they say every time I say Mountain Dew Energy, I get $1,000. Mountain Dew Energy. Mountain Dew Energy. Mental Boost. See how this crap tastes. Tastes like crappy Mountain Dew is what it tastes like. Ooh, Mental Boost. So if you're crazy, will that increase your craziness? I'm gonna do the right thing and drink 2 of these sumbitches. I got a different flavor over there. This tastes like crap, to be honest with you. It tastes like flat crap. Ooh, 5% juice, no sugars, zinc. Crap. This is straight crap. I should have just got what I normally get, but I thought, it's only 25 calories. Anyways, screw you. These are wrapped. That's why they sound so dang good. So now I'm torn because I watched the video and I'm like, man, that sounded so good. I think. I could be wrong. Let me know. Anywho, let's pull these off. And then we'll put those on with the way they are stock. See how it sounds. We'll do the same ordeal. Then we'll come back and wrap them. I'll show you how to do that. We need a bucket with water. You gotta soak the wrapping. Header wrap. Aluminum tape is kind of just to hold the fiberglass, keep it together again. It's all about the tape, the header tape. I think I'm pointing at my box here, but I'm actually pointing over here. That's funny. Anywho, I hate pulling pipes apart. I've done this so many times. I almost feel like I'm gonna end up being back to these, but at least I can sleep at night knowing I did the right thing. Ooh, what do we have here? Crap in a can. I'm gonna need all this crap so I can do all this. That tastes like crap, really. Like like straight up garbage. I need some motivation. I need some motivation. I did the speakers on here. Don't look at that. I mean, it sounds good, it looks good, but don't look at it. I installed it the way I wanted, and that's how I want it, so I almost think this one's bad. Well, on the last run, I'm gonna 3,000 watt system. I'm gonna turn that up. Megaphones. 3,000, 2 amps. That tastes a little better. This one, it tastes flat. You're lucky it was 2 for $4, because if I just would have bought that one. Ooh, mental boost. Look at that. Ooh, let me show you. Yeah, we're gonna get to this, okay? These new grips I put on. You know, I don't know. They're much better, but the thumb, I mean, they look better than the stock ones, but I don't know. Avon, whatever they are. This is kind of nice. It kind of, you just rest the throttle helper, palm helper, whatever. I mean, I still got cruise control, but I mean, this is still nice, I guess. Oh, and then I put on some LED lights. I got lights on here, lights there, lights there, lights there, lights there. I got some up here. Oh man. At night, 3,000 watt system, 8 speakers. Oh man. She just comes together. My baby. It's my baby. She just comes together. Alright, let's switch exhaust. Before I forget, let me show you the lights. He came with the amps. Yeah, I got a pink rubber duck DS18. Is that 18? So yeah, I switched these out. And these, I didn't do a video. But here, let's check them out. That they are awesome. They're so awesome. And then when you hit the brake, hold on. Yeah. Yeah, I put the grips, the lights, the speakers, the amps, yeah, I got a million LEDs in this thing. The new radio, oh yeah. Oh, not the new radio, but the new system. Okay, let's go. I'm done talking. All right, before I even got the first megaphone on, Vance and I answered the phone. I told him what I was doing. He said, okay. He went over, he called the dyno tuners or whatever, and I don't know if they looked at my map or they just came up with a new map. They sent me the map. I just flashed the bike, so the bike's got a new map. So when we get this done, we should be ready to roll. Take 2 stock Mutazus from the same distance as the TMTs, whatever they are. Okay, everything's working. Cold start. I got to the spot and the bike was backfiring and running so bad off that tune he put in that I had to sit on the phone for half an hour again. I got another new tune. I don't even know how the bike's gonna run. I'm just gonna do this with Mutazu's stock the way they are. Let's do some do some flybys. Can you see the road at least? Hold on. Let's do some flybys. Like total shit. Oh man, I don't even. Ugh. All right, let's go change the exhaust and I don't know, man. I'm so sick of calling Vance and Hines. All right. This is so messed up that I'm going to, yeah. Vance and Hines is killing me with this tuner. Ooh. So we're gonna put a new air cleaner on because it's been a few years. New spark plugs. Finish the baffles. Run it again. And then I'll call Vance and Hines again and see what we can do to fix this problem. Can we ever get this to run right is the question. This I won't show. I'm just gonna do this quick, then we'll do the baffle. Ooh. Voila. Alright, I'm gonna do the spark plugs quick and then we'll be on. I mean, it's been a few years. So if this has anything to do with it not running right, it's now taken care of. And if the plugs are messed up, it's now gonna be taken care of. Benson Hines better get this bike tuned right. I would have thought the plugs would have been black and wet, but they're not. They're not that bad. Huh? Right? The gap is wrong. I don't know why. I just changed them, but yeah. So the new ones are going in. Back to our regular scheduled program. Man, everybody looking at marks on this thing. That's why I don't care about the bags that much. I put holes in them because every time I look at them, there's a new scratch. So, I mean, bags are out there. I get them. I have a dozen of them. I really want new bags. Let's go get some. Alright, let's get some. These are relatively new, so they should just pop off. And that's it. Well, 2.0's got a little bit better screen, I think. Oh, maybe not. Maybe so. What the what? Look at this. I think we're missing something. Huh. I mean, those are. Oh, you seriously see what's in there? I see it. There it is. I can almost leave that in there. No, maybe I can't. Hold on. The new kit comes with gloves. What I'm gonna do comes with gloves. 2.0. This is just. Trust me, what I'm about to do to these pipes, they're gonna be happy. They're gonna be happy. So these metal, this is what comes in a box. I'm gonna cut this right in half. These metal strips are important. This tape maybe. This is garbage. I'll try to reuse that. Snake skin over there. Put these gloves on. This is fiberglass. This is too also always everything here, so I like how my video turns itself off. The kit, I got this on Amazon. The kit you get at the store doesn't have so many of these in there. It's nice. This one's nicer. I don't know how long this aluminum tape lasts, but right now it's more or less to keep it together. I don't even know what to make of this. Because they, how do you... forgot to put this on first and then tap it on. So make sure you do that. Like, it goes in tight, but it goes in. Just make sure you put enough metal tape on there to kind of close it up. It'll work. You touch up paint, you just kind of cover this area. And when I tapped it on, I made sure the hole was right where the nut went. All right, let's take this side off. So I used the other half of that 50-foot when I did, so I got probably two 6-foot pieces left. Just to let you know. You know, I probably should have used these up and wrapped them tight. Like I think I did this one. Like I had one here on the inside, here. I probably should have did that. All right, do you see how it gets narrow in there? You know, like this one's really wide. Let's go to the other end. Hold on. See, it's narrow. And then it comes wider. You can see I did the same thing with this one. And that's why it pops. These were so quiet when I got them, but now they freaking pop. So now we'll see how this reacts. New fancy air cleaner. Is that pink or is that purple? If it's pink, that's at least 10 more horsepower. All right, real quick. It's been 2 days. Yesterday it was raining, cold. The day we got it done, it was running late. New sponsor. Yeah, we fired Mountain Dew. Yeah, that stuff. They bagged and pleaded, but I fired them. No more. New sponsor, Rain. Mountain Dew's out. Peach Fizz. Anywho, I can't get the tune on the bike right. Benton Hines, they're about fired too. The next video I'm gonna try and tune this a different way with the Vance and Hines. So I think they're full of it, and I think I can self-tune it, and it's gonna work. And I think they're wrong. So very next video, we're gonna work on getting this bike tuned. And then, yeah. All right, let's go test. Get this all done. Oh, I had it. This tastes better cold. I about had it. All right, where are we at here? All right, don't go nowhere.
shit. Very next video, we're gonna get this tuned one way or another.